or why she's so angry after all they've been through. Each year one more chapter, but nothing is new. She's outgrown the story, like the gal in the shoe. Not for children, but her dreams and desire. I thought I knew what you wanted from me. I thought I'd get there in time, but it feels like we're trapped on a runaway train that keeps picking up speed to the end of the line. And I'm afraid if I knock, all these doors will be thrown open wide.
زار الكتاب لا